to put another line. Then another you have to put death note. Okay, and Farouk stop it because I saw you.
Next to do.
Then next you have to draw a circle. Below the underline circle, one is having an independent percentage embarrassing life and emotional Then third step, each one you have to put another line.
Tama na!
Tama na yan. Eh, Baroto.
Hugot niyo sila yung boy.
Wala yung kahinga. Lingutong.
Ningutong na, kalibang.
Galing utong na.
Dilayong. Wala, kuya sa dagat ba?
And half step you have to end this because I don't like this.